Have you ever noticed when we stand beside a swimming pool and we observe the water of swimming pool by standing outside, what we feel is we feel that the ground of the swimming pool is a bit above than the usual. हम लोग को ऐसा लगता है कि ग्राउंड थोड़ा ऊपर है, but as we jump inside the swimming pool, what we see is the actual depth of the swimming pool is different as compared to what we observe from outside. Now, this is due to refraction of light. Now, how exactly it happens? Let us understand this with the help of an experiment. Now I am going to add some water in it, and we are going to observe the coin from the same position. Now what exactly you see? That the coin is visible. Now this is due to refraction of light. Now add water in one of the bowl. Now as you can see, I am pointing a laser on this coin, means this coin is visible, whereas here the coin is not visible. Now this entire phenomenon is due to refraction of light, where the real depth is different and what we see is the apparent depth of the vessel.